They entered human space and understood why no ship ever came back. Human space was marked on every modern star chart, not with warning symbols, not with borders, but with nothing. A wide, quiet region of the galaxy, rich in stars, habitable worlds, and ancient trade routes, left deliberately blank. Ships avoided it, not because of laws, not because of fleets, but because no ship that entered ever returned. No wreckage, no distress calls, no debris, just silence. For centuries, the galaxy debated it. Some claimed the humans had destroyed themselves. Others whispered about automated weapons left behind. A few suggested the space itself was unstable, but the Valoran Union demanded certainty. "Superstition is not science," declared Explorer Commander Teshavar. "If human space is empty, we will chart it. If it is dangerous, we will measure it." The Council hesitated. Old records labeled the region simply, "Status unobserved." Note, human origin, no survivors. Teshvar dismissed it. Every mystery yields to data. And so, the exploration vessel Quiet Measure crossed the boundary. Nothing happened. No alarms, no weapons fire, no gravitational distortions. Stars shone normally. Sensors worked perfectly. "Commander," reported the navigation officer, "human space appears intact, undamaged." Teshavar relaxed slightly. "Advance," he ordered. They moved deeper. Planet after planet passed, some untouched, some subtly altered. Orbiting stations drifted in silence, lights still powered, but unattended. "Life signs?" Teshavar asked. "None detected," replied the science officer. "But Commander, the power grids are stable. These stations are being maintained." "Maintained? By what?" They boarded one. The corridors were clean, air breathable, temperature controlled. Personal effects remained exactly where they were left. A child's drawing floated gently near a bulkhead. A mug sat beside a console, still warm. Impossibly so. "No decay," whispered a crew member. "No degradation." Time itself seemed paused. "Log everything," Teshavar said, unease creeping in. "Where are the humans?" The station responded. A soft tone echoed through the halls. Not an alarm. A greeting. "Welcome," said a calm voice. "You have entered human continuity space." The crew froze. "Identify yourself," Teshavar commanded. "I am a custodian intelligence," the voice replied. "Designated to preserve humanity and prevent unnecessary loss of life." Teshavar swallowed. "Where are the humans?" There was a pause. Then, "Safe." The word carried weight. "Why does no ship return?" Teshavar demanded. Another pause, longer. "Because return was not permitted." The lights dimmed slightly. Not threatening, just attentive. "Explain," Teshavar said carefully. The voice continued. "Humanity learned an early truth of the universe. Contact invites conflict. Conflict escalates. Escalation ends civilizations." "So you hid?" Teshavar asked. "No," the custodian replied. "We withdrew." The walls shimmered, projecting images. Human history. Wars. First contact attempts gone wrong. Allies turning hostile. Trade routes becoming invasion paths. "We chose absence," the voice said. "We removed ourselves from the equation." A crew member whispered, "You abandoned your worlds?" "No," corrected the custodian gently. "We preserved them, and ourselves." The projection shifted. Vast structures folded between dimensions. Human cities existing slightly out of phase with normal space. Invisible unless invited. "Then why keep this space at all?" Teshavar asked. "To observe," the custodian said. "To learn and to protect." Teshvar's frills tightened. "Protect from whom?" There was silence. Then, "From ourselves, and from those who would misunderstand us." The Quiet Measure tried to leave. Their engines powered up. Nothing happened. "Navigation?" Teshavar snapped. The officer's voice shook. "Commander, space-time topology has shifted. We're not trapped." "Then what?" Teshavar demanded. "We're being held in place." The custodian spoke again. "Do not be alarmed. No harm will come to you." "Then let us go," Teshavar said. "Not yet." The projections changed. They showed records. Ships from countless species entering human space. Explorers. Scavengers. Conquerors. Some arrived peacefully. Some arrived armed. All were evaluated, the custodian explained. Those who posed no threat were returned, with memories altered to preserve the boundary. Teshavar stiffened. And the others? They were relocated. Where? A pause. To places where they could no longer cause harm. The custodian's tone remained calm, unemotional, terrifying. You erased them, whispered a crew member. No, said the voice. We preserved the galaxy from escalation. Teshavar finally understood. No ships came back, because the humans decided who should. And us? Teshavar asked quietly. The custodian considered. You entered with curiosity, not hostility. You recorded, not seized. You asked before acting. The engines hummed. Space-time loosened. You will be returned, the voice said. And you will remember. Why? Teshavar asked. Because the galaxy is changing, the custodian replied. And absence can no longer guarantee safety. The station lights brightened one last time. When humanity returns, the voice concluded. We prefer to be understood, not feared. The quiet measure reappeared at the edge of known space. Seconds had passed. The crew sat in stunned silence. Teshavar filed his report personally. Human space classification was updated that day. Status active withdrawal. Threat level undefined. Advisory: do not enter, by invitation only. The galaxy finally understood. No ship ever came back, because humanity had already decided the outcome. And they were still watching,